Today at a local auction, I won this 18th century Highboy. It was characterized as 18th century from Pennsylvania and walnut period. So tonight I brought home the drawers and the top half of it. And as you can see, as I was bringing it home, one of the backboards was actually so loose it just came apart. So the first thing I'm going to have to do is, you can see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 screws on 6 nails on one side that were holding the board to the back. And if you look closely at these nails, you'll see there's a variety of nails. There's a sort of an oval, square-headed one. There's an older square-headed nail. And there's some more older square-headed nails. Now I also noticed, as I was bringing it in the garage, that this backboard is extremely loose too. The nails, as you can see, I'm moving it up and down, have stopped doing what they're supposed to. So there's a nail here, there's a nail there, there's one here you can see. This one is actually sticking up. There's another nail there, one there, and one there. So I'm going to remove this backboard too, since it's loose. And as we walk around to this side, you'll see the nails sticking up there and here from the backboard that already came off. The bottom is dovetailed. This is the part that rests on the lower half of the Highboy. Here's the side panels. And I'm not 100% convinced that this is walnut, but I will do more analysis. And here's the top. The top of the Highboy, as you can see, is dovetailed like it should be. So I'm convinced that this is an 18th century Highboy. But the first thing I'm going to do is remove these backboards and very carefully pull these nails out so that I can reuse them. Once I get all the backboards out, placed properly, I'm going to drill some new holes here on the backboard and try and reattach it.